My name is Matt Banna, and I'm an enterprise account executive at KaiNexus. Oftentimes, organizations come to us because they're having challenges managing their A3s. They don't have visibility into the work that's happening, who's doing what and when, are things on track or off track, and ultimately, how are these A3s impacting their organizational goals? They've tried to solve these challenges through tools that aren't fit for purpose, like Excel or PowerPoint, or uploading things into a SharePoint drive, or even creating homegrown systems. What they found is that once things get saved into SharePoint, they go into some sort of black hole and nobody ever sees the results of those A3s. Or if they go to some sort of project management solution, those A3s aren't shaped like A3s, and so all the work that they've done to teach the A3 problem-solving methodology goes out the window because the format of how people are solving those problems in that tool doesn't look like the format that they've been taught. But we'll work together to configure your A3 in KaiNexus to mirror the standard that you've built and that you've taught within your organization. In this example we have configured, you can see a background and a current condition, countermeasures, a way to prioritize this project against others. You can use it to assign tasks directly to people that will automatically notify them once they've been assigned or that work becomes overdue. Categorize this work however you want with some sort of priority or connect it to strategic initiatives. Add in root cause like 5 whys or Fishbones, attach before and after pictures, or any approvals that are needed. Once this A3 is actually completed, simply going into the resolution to say what happened, what was the outcome of this project, was it qualitative or quantitative, such as some sort of quality or safety change, or maybe there was some sort of cost savings where you can say how much you saved, how often, and then be able to report on that later throughout the organization. Managing your A3s in KaiNexus gives visibility to the organization at multiple levels. It gives visibility of the work that's happening to different team members so they can share best practices or make sure that they're not working on duplicate efforts. It gives visibility into your CI team so that they can more effectively coach or congratulate people who are doing good work. And it gives more visibility to executives so they can track the impact of the work that's happening and ultimately how is that affecting your organizational goals.